When I was a child, I always wanted to help people. I remember when my little brother got sick. I felt very sad because I could not help him. At that moment, I decided that I wanted to become a doctor. In school, I studied very hard. I loved science, especially biology. I liked learning about the human body and how it works. My teachers always told me that I needed to work hard if I wanted to become a doctor. So I listened to them and gave my best in every subject. After high school, I went to university. I studied pre-medical courses first. It was not easy. I had to study a lot every day. Sometimes I felt tired, and sometimes I even wanted to give up. But I remembered my dream, and I kept going. After finishing my pre-medical studies, I applied to medical school. It was very competitive, and many smart students wanted to get in. I studied very hard for the entrance exam. When I got the letter saying I was accepted, I felt so happy. I knew it was the start of a new journey. Medical school was very challenging. I had to learn about many diseases, treatments, and medicine. I also spent a lot of time in hospitals, learning from real doctors and helping real patients. It was exciting but also very serious. Every patient trusted us, so we had to be very careful. I spent 5 years in medical school. During this time, I met many good teachers and made friends who also wanted to become doctors. We helped each other, shared notes, and encouraged each other to keep going. After finishing medical school, I had to do one more important step. I started my internship at a hospital. During the internship, I worked with real doctors and treated real patients. I learned how to talk to patients, how to find out what was wrong, and how to give them the right medicine. Some days were very long and hard. Sometimes I had to work at night. I felt tired but also proud, because I was doing what I loved. After finishing my internship, I officially became a doctor. It was the happiest day of my life. My family was very proud of me. My parents said they always believed in me. Now, I work at a hospital. Every day, I meet people who need help. I listen to them, check them carefully, and give them the right treatment. It feels good to make people feel better. It feels good to make a difference. Becoming a doctor was not easy. It took many years of studying, hard work, and patience. But it was worth it. I am happy because I am doing something that I love. I am helping people, just like I always wanted to. This is how I became a doctor.